Hey guys, look what game we have here. This is Train Sim. We're going the country loop, guys, okay? Look at this. Guys, we're gonna go over the bridge up there, guys, okay? Okay, guys? And you can even change day and night, guys, and turn on the lights, guys, okay? Here comes the bridge, guys. We're gonna go to the New York subway, guys, okay? Here it is, guys, as you can see. We're at Country Loop, guys, okay? Here's the bridge, guys. Here we go. Over the bridge, guys. Okay. Guys, we're still on the bridge. We're off the bridge now, guys, okay? There's a train station right there. Guys, we're gonna stop at it, guys, okay? We're gonna stop at that station, guys. Okay, we're stopping, guys. Okay, guys, there. We're at the station, guys. There's the train, guys, okay? Look at those people getting on, guys. Okay, we're gonna go now. Guys, it's 11:25 a.m. Guys, okay?
Well, how about the next time we go to Vancouver and stop at Walmart?
We're gonna go to the TE7 train, guys, okay? Here it is.
Oh yeah. But maybe next time we stop at Walmart, we can go to that one.
Yeah, you know what?
Look at this, guys.
See him. Hopefully he'll be there. Not today, but
There's another train,
you know how happy he would be to
guys. Ooh.
Now we give him a hug
Yeah,
because he probably misses us.
I would bet you're right. I wish he had told us. Maybe he didn't know at the time.
Whoa, guys. Look at this train, guys.
No, he was transferred. Oh. That's why they said all the good ones go.
Ooh, guys.
He was good. He probably chose to transfer. He was not very happy with some of the management at that Walmart. That's why I told him that they actually really liked
Oh,
him.
we can't stop at the station
They
now.
told me how good he
It's
was.
too late, guys, okay?
And he says, oh, that's nice to hear, because he wasn't being treated
Ooh,
that
look at
well.
this guy,
You still have chocolate
guys.
on your face.
Did you get AJ's phone number so that we can call him?
No.
Why?
That would be
Ooh, what kind of train is this, guys? I don't know,
I don't want
guys. Okay,
Haven't seen him in a while.
here's this train, guys. Ooh,
I hope she does.
Union Pacific, guys.
Yeah.
She was there since they opened.
Okay, guys,
Right?
ready to head off?
Get your socks on.
Guys, okay, we're gonna go to Mountain Pass now, guys, okay?
No, I actually have something
Ooh,
to show you on my Chromebook. No?
Okay. Get it out then.
what are you gonna show her, Damien?
My wallpaper.
Look at this, guys. Do you like this train, guys? Ooh. Look at this one, guys.
In my passport is elevator
Ooh.
1.
Cool.
And Grant and Poppy aren't supposed to know my password.
Here's the train with cars, guys, okay? We already saw this train at Country Loop, guys, okay?
Look at this, Mom.
Oh, so awesome.
Okay, guys. Now we're gonna go to Kids Scene.
I know, I can tell.
And yesterday
Whoa.
I showed you German.
Guys, look at that. Beautiful. Guys, this is kind of like we're doing Train Sim Phone. Guys, okay? I really love Train Sim Phone. They used to have that video on YouTube, but bummer, they don't anymore. Guys, okay? I wish they had it on YouTube, guys.
Nope.
Okay, we're gonna go faster, guys. I think I remember this part, guys, okay?
The color reservation was there.
Yeah.
It's not the casino and hotel.
Ooh, guys. Oh,
Casino is the main part of the color reservation.
we're gonna go to desert now, guys, okay? Ooh,
The
guys.
reservation has been there for hundreds of years, couple hundred years, you know. It's been owned by the Cowlitz tribe for a very long
We don't have our light on, guys, okay?
But those are the main parts. Is the college reservation haunted?
No. I don't think so.
Actually,
But they keep trying to make it pretty.
here's the BNSF, guys. We're gonna get the other cars for it.
Not haunted.
No, it's not.
It's brand new still.
Yep. And it's beautiful.
Ooh, guys.
I don't think ghosts are supposed to be and the hotel is only a couple months old.
Kane!
Look at
my
this,
phone's
guys.
probably almost dead.
4 months old.
It's 11:31.
I know.
Um,
Time to go and come back.
Okay,
and have
guys.
lunch.
We're going over the crossing arms,
I don't remember.
guys, okay?
I wonder what the
We're heading to Metropolis now, guys. Then we're done, guys, okay? Ooh,
that the opening day was. And it would be the hotel's first.
this looks cool, guys, okay?
Had the elevators there.
Yep.
We're going to the underground, guys. This kind of looks like the same Metropolis, but it's not. Guys, okay? We're gonna stop at that train station. Guys, okay? Oh, too late. We're going to the menu, guys. Okay, guys, why don't you like, comment, and subscribe? And look at the picture of Train Sim Phone. And bye-bye.